So the role of the partners, startup partners, is in some instances bringing in agility and momentum to processes. There are processes which we run which are very regimented in a regulated industry. If there are quick changes that we want to make, we will bring in agile partner startups. Say, for example, we want to build a chatbot functionality in a user journey. We will bring in a startup who is able to deliver from start to finish much quicker than a larger technology player. It also gives us access to emerging technologies. Again, if we want to bring in computer vision in claim assessment, then we reach out to a startup who is working, say, in motor claims and computer vision, and tie that back into our processes and bring that functionality back into AXA and insurance much quicker. And lastly, there is a culture of can do and do quickly, which is in line with how startups function. That kind of mindset we can also bring back into AXA because of the partnerships. So InsurTech, again, this year had a big boost. It's over $6 billion of investment which went into InsurTech in 2019. In terms of trends that we are seeing a lot of money going into digital health plays. We have players like Collective Health who received funding, Oscar received more funding, and Babylon Health, our own digital health and teleconsultation venture, has received a whole lot of funding. We also see in terms of movement from full stack insurers to more B2B play. So players like Slice and Trove, both are moving into B2B space rather than just work as a full stack independent insurer. And in other terms, we also see a huge amount of work being done in partnerships with insurers, much in line with the B2B movement in other pieces of technologies as well, and InsurTechs which are receiving funding in that. So Tractable and Shift Technology, which are working specifically in insurance claims journeys and bringing in efficiency, are getting investment dollars and a lot of interest. So in terms of, if we look at the insurance itself, it is predicated on large data sets, and from that data sets trying to build a picture of insurability and risk prevention and risk management for its customers. Now, the fact that our backbone is data means that introduction of newer tools such as machine learning, deep learning into these large data sets and using alternate data sets to drive insights for customers, insights for underwriter. I think artificial intelligence broadly in that, and specifically machine learning, supervised machine learning is an area that I see a lot of interest and applications within the next 12 months. I think for these kind of events, what they do is they give us access to a lot of new use cases that our competitors and other incumbents might be using. It also gives us insight into what the investment community is looking at when it's looking at technology plays within InsurTech. And more importantly, it also gives us a look into what startups are building, how they're deploying these technologies into redefining the insurance industry.